His name was Oliver. He died at the Battle of Spion-Kop. We were childhood sweethearts. But you see, I was angry with the army for such a long time.
You still are.
I found myself as part of that school, watching boys learn how to kill.
Don't you think discipline is good for them?
Does it have to be such military discipline? I mean, if there's another war, those boys won't find it so amusing.
Well, Great Britain's at peace, long may it rain.
In your journal, in one of your stories, you wrote about next year, 1914.
It was just a dream.
All those images of mud and wire told of a shadow falling across the entire world.
Well, they're making me thankful it's not true. And I'll admit, mankind doesn't need warfare and bloodshed to prove itself. Everyday life can provide honor and valor, and let's hope that from now on this country can find its heroes in smaller places. In the most ordinary of deeds. Okay.
That was luck.
Nurse Redfern, might I invite you to the village dance this evening? As my guest.
You extraordinary man.